Trying to launch a game or app only to be stopped by the php7ts.dll error? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've analyzed this error to find the fastest fix. To begin our PHP7ts troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the PHP7ts, the PHP 7 thread-safe TS core engine. It manages the unmanaged execution of PHP scripts in multi-threaded environments like Apache or IIS. It facilitates the data link between web requests and server-side logic manifests. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. A standard troubleshooting step is to perform a fresh install of php.net. Head to Microsoft's official site, download the x86 and x64 versions of the Visual C++ redistributables, and run the setup files. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with PHP7ts. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Replacing PHP7ts without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. To support your system's overall health without the complexity of manual directory management, a maintenance utility is a solid option. If you're addressing PHP7ts inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. If PHP7ts is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.